Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best clay lubricant on the market, the Chemical Guys Clay Luber Synthetic Lubricant. Whether you're a professional detailer or a car enthusiast, this product is designed to take your detailing game to the next level by making clay bar treatment smoother and more effective than ever. Now, if you've ever used a clay bar before, you know that the key to a flawless finish lies in the lubricant you choose. The Chemical Guys Clay Luber is specially formulated with synthetic wetting agents and lubricants that create an incredibly slick surface. This slickness is essential because it helps your clay bar or synthetic substitute glide effortlessly over your vehicle's paint without sticking or causing scratches. One of the standout features of this clay luber is its non-caustic formula. This means it won't break down your clay bars or synthetic clay substitutes, which helps extend their life and effectiveness. The product works on all types of clay, making it a universal choice whether you're using a clay bar, clay block, or even a wash mitt. It's suitable for all kinds of vehicles, from cars and trucks to SUVs and Jeeps, and works on all shiny or clear exterior surfaces including paint and glass. The lubrication this product provides goes beyond just helping your clay bar slide smoothly. It also lays down a thin, ultra-reflective protective coating thanks to its shining agents. This coat not only enhances the appearance of your paintwork but also protects it from minor marring or swirling that can happen during the clay process. Even if your vehicle has been recently waxed or sealed, the clay luber will still perform beautifully without compromising the existing protection. Applying this lubricant is simple and user-friendly. Just spray it directly onto the surface where you plan to use your clay bar or mitt. The fast-acting synthetic formula ensures that the surface stays wet and slick, reducing friction and preventing the clay from clogging or sticking. This makes the detailing process much faster and more efficient, allowing you to achieve that smooth as glass finish effortlessly. Chemical Guys is a well-known brand trusted by beginners and professionals alike. Beyond the product itself, they offer extensive detailing knowledge and support to help you get the most out of your car care routine. Plus, the brand's dedication to quality means you can trust that you're using a product crafted with precision in the USA. In summary, the Chemical Guys Clay Luber Synthetic Lubricant is a must-have if you want to make your clay bar treatment safer, more effective, and longer lasting. It's easy to use, protects your paint, and ensures that your clay bar glides with minimal effort, all while enhancing your vehicle's shine. For anyone serious about car detailing, this clay lubricant is an essential part of the toolkit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed product insights. See you next time.